This is how to make the best keto fat bombs using 3 ingredients. Let's go. All right, this is super simple. So we are just gonna do equal parts of each one of these. So we did 2 tablespoons of just regular PB2, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream in this bowl. Then we did 2 tablespoons of PB2 chocolate in this bowl with 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. That way we have 2 different kinds of fat bombs. You got a chocolate one, and then you just got a peanut butter. Well, it's chocolate peanut butter. I shot a video on mixing these up, but apparently I didn't push record. So let's nuke these for 15 seconds. We're gonna stir it, nuke it for another 15 seconds, and then stir it again, and it'll be ready to pour into our mold. Do not do 30 seconds straight because you will mess it up. Also, don't blend it or anything like that. Just use a spoon. It's that simple. I'm gonna mix these up real quick and then we'll bring it back. By the way, if you wanted to do 10 seconds and then stir, then 10 seconds, that would probably work too, but 15 is kind of where I stayed with. They are all mixed up now. They do not have to be absolutely perfect in any way, but this is kind of what you're gonna look like. Let's go ahead and throw them in the mold now and see how many it makes per bowl. Try not to fill them all the way to the top. I got this mold at Walmart for around $4. It's a good thing I am not a cooking channel because I ballpark everything, and that's kind of how I did that, and that's why you've seen I had different amounts of things. But if you did level scoops of the 2 tablespoons per each thing, so 2 tablespoons of PB2, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, you should make 5. Assuming you went and bought one of those molds from Walmart, which is around $4, and just filled it up, you should have 5. So we're gonna divide the macros by 5, and that will give us our actual macros per piece of candy or fat bomb, whatever you want to call it. We're going to freeze it for 4 hours, then we'll pop them out, check them out, do a taste test. My wife loves them, so I mainly made them for her. I don't get that sweet tooth because I usually crave my sweet tooth with like a keto hot chocolate, and I've showed on my channel many a times how to make different keto hot chocolates. It's super simple, just like this is. This is the easiest keto fat bomb to make, and it tastes amazing, has great macros, there's no hidden stuff. Just make them, try it. Okay, so these have been freezing for about 4 hours, so they're nice and set up. You can get molds off of Amazon, you can get them at Walmart, you can get them lots of places. I'm guessing other stores probably have them too. Heck, Dollar Tree might even have something, or Dollar General, whatever. All right, so we've got the regular peanut butter ones, then we have the chocolate peanut butter ones. I'm gonna try the chocolate one first. It has 7.8 grams of fat, 1.4 grams of carbs, and 0.8 protein. It's like they melt in your mouth. They taste so delicious. That chocolate one was really good. I forgot how much I like these. So let's try just the peanut butter one, which it is 7.9 grams of fat, 1.2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of protein. That's pretty good. The chocolate had like a lot more flavor to it, obviously because it's chocolate. They're equally good, great fat bombs to make. You're not getting a bunch of carbs and then, you know, trying to negate with the fiber. There are some fiber in this. There's probably like half a gram of fiber in each one. But again, don't get hung up on trying to negate, you know, the fiber against carbs, because count everything and then you don't have to worry about it. These are not high in carb. They're good fat bombs, so you know, if you have 2 or 3 of them, it's not gonna hurt. Heck, you could probably have 5 and it's not gonna hurt. But again, make easy stuff. That was so easy to make. It literally took me, I don't know, all of, you know, 2-3 minutes to completely make it to where I was pouring it in the molds and letting it, you know, set up and get hard. Only thing bad about these kind of fat bombs, which a lot of fat bombs are like this, you got to keep them in the freezer or they'll melt. I guess you could probably keep them in the refrigerator, but I wouldn't suggest that. Just keep them in the freezer, and they never get like super hard, like an ice cube hard. That's the good thing about it. The fat allows it to do that because the fat never really gets super hard. But anyway, it's kind of like an ice cream bar. So I guess if you wanted to make like a chocolate ice cream bar out of this, that would be perfect. Matter of fact, we may just do that. That sounds like a great idea. I was thinking about popsicles the other day. Like, how can we make popsicles that are keto friendly? Maybe we'll do that next time, but I guess we'll call this Cooking with Jason, right? Anyway, hope you like this video. Hope you make these fat bombs. They taste delicious. You will not regret it. If you're gonna ask my opinion, the chocolate is better. But hey, anyway, until next time, keep it keto.